Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are tackling a question that many people wonder about. How can you tell if someone has blocked you on Instagram? Whether you are feeling a little suspicious or just curious, I'm going to walk you through the steps to figure it out. So let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Now the first step to find someone has blocked you is to check for direct messages. Simply tap onto the message icon. Now tap onto the chat that you feel like that person has blocked you. Now tap onto their profile picture. Here you can see you don't see any posts from the person. It might be the reason that the person has blocked you. Now go back and call the person. If the call shows only calling and it shows like this, no answer, then it might be the reason that the person has blocked you. So these are the signs that the person has blocked you on Instagram. If you are still unsure, try checking their profile with a different account. If you have a friend or a secondary account, you can log into that account and see if their profile is visible there. If you can see their profile and interact with it from another account, but not from yours, that's a pretty clear sign that you have been blocked. So those are the main ways you can tell if someone has blocked you on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.